What use is an F-call? Having been an amateur for a number of years and having participated in many outings, campouts, field days, public events and private portable operations, you'd think that the art of packing is something that I have down to a T. If only it were so. Personal adventures included forgetting the little connection cable that joins the head of my radio with the body, forgetting to pack an N-type to PL259 adapter, forgetting to pack an antenna for DX operation, forgetting a logbook, forgetting the power cable, and I'm sure there are more things that I've forgotten. You might take away from this that I'm a forgetful person. I'm not sure that I am. I think what happens is that I become complacent. I've been mobile so many times and I've had to pack my gear for each outing that I think I've got it all. This complacency sneaks into other aspects of the hobby also. I participate in a weekly net from my home, also known as my QTH, where I use the same radio, plugged into the same aerial, the same power supply on the same shelf next to my desk. You'd think that with all that sameness, nothing would change. If only it were so. Connectors wander around because they get disconnected after each net, so there is no fixed installation. The coax is subject to the weather. The power supply is sometimes used for other outings. So what do you do with all of this? The gear we use is pretty costly, pretty fragile and subject to letting out the white smoke if you were to cross the polarities of power or short out the antenna. So treat each activation as a separate event. Go through the whole kit in your mind before you drive off. And if you're setting up your radio, make sure that each aspect of your radio operation is as expected. Complacency can be an expensive mistake. I'm Onno, Victor Kilo 6, Foxtrot Lima Alpha Bravo.